Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So in Bank Nifty you can clearly see here that today market opens a gap of around 42,600 and it immediately took resistance around that higher side. And previously also I told you that from the last 10 to 20 days market continuously goes up without showing any continuous negative movement. So if it opens large gap up then it may be source of negative movement, and today market opens a gap up around 42,600 and it immediately hit resistance around that higher side, and right now it trades around 42,260, and you can clearly see here that today market is also tried to closes below 42,000 and made low around 41,800, but at the end it trades above 42,000 and also it trades above expiry day high which is 42,200. And so for taking any kind of buying trade, if it opens flat or opens gap up then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be around 42,500 first. Next target will be that high level which is 42,600. For taking any kind of buying or selling trade, we will look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle you can clearly see that market opens gap up around that 42,600 and it made a low around 42,000 round level, that is around 500 to 580 point, and after that it also made low around 41,800. And also previously I told you that if you wanted to take trade for selling then it needs to closes below 42,000, but for any confirmation it needs to closes below 41,800 because we have seen some large buying pressure on around that 41,800 level on expiry day. So today it made low around that 41,800 and immediately took support from that, and right now as I said it trades around 42,200 level. So if tomorrow market opens flat or if it opens around that 42,100 to 42,200 and shows positive movement, or if it trades above 42,200 then we're going to take trade for buying. Target will be around 42,500 to round level 42,600, and if it opens gap down or if it trades below 42,100 or round level 42,000 and shows a negative movement after that, then we're going to take trade for selling, and target will be around 41,800 which is today's low, and next target will be 41,570. So that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one day candle chart, that how we can take trade in Nifty, because in Bank Nifty it closes above Thursday expiry's closing price, but in Nifty you can clearly see that it opens small gap up and it continuously shows negative movement, and also it trades below 70,700 level, and on expiry day it trades around or if it closes around 7,800. So right now it looks negative to me. So if it opens flat and if it once again trades below 7,700 or if it try to trade below 7,600 or 650 and shows negative movement, then we're going to take trade for selling. In one day candle chart it kind of looks negative to me, but for taking any kind of buying or selling trade we need to look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle you can clearly see that Nifty continuously took support from that trend line, and today when it breaks that trend line it continuously shows negative movement here, and at the end it continuously try to go above. But my suggestion would be if you wanted to take any buying trade then it needs to closes above 7,750 or 60, then after that you can consider it for buying, because previously we have seen support around that 7,700 or 750 level, and today it also breaks that zone when it shows negative movement. So my suggestion would be at least it closes above that, then after that you can decide for taking any kind of buying trade. But if it opens a gap up around 7,750 or 7,780 and shows a negative movement, then you can immediately take trade for selling, and target will be around 7,700 to round level 7,600. So in Nifty it kind of looks negative to me, but if it opens a large gap up and shows positive movement and shows continuous positive movement, then we're going to take trade for buying. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty components, because if you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options then you need to look into Bank Nifty components during market hours, and our first component will be HDFC Bank. And in HDFC Bank you can clearly see that today market opens around 1720 level which is all time high, and after that it continuously took resistance from that and made low around 1650 which is around 70 point, and right now it looks negative to me. So if it opens flat or if it trades below 1665 or 63 and shows negative movement, then we're going to take trade for selling. Target will be around 1650 to 1645. Now let's look into ICICI Bank. In ICICI Bank it also opens a gap up above 900 level around 917, and after that it immediately took resistance from that, but it trades above 900 level. So if tomorrow market once again took support from that 900 and shows positive movement, and then you can expect some buying trade here. and target you can set to 910 to 915. But if it trades below 900 level and shows negative movement during market hours, then we're going to consider it for selling, and target will be around 885 to round level 880. In State Bank of India, it shows positive movement here because when it trades above 530 or 535, which previously acted as a major resistance level, it continuously shows positive movement from there, and right now it trades around 544 or 45. So if tomorrow market once again try to close above that 500 545, then you can take trade for buying. Target will be around 550 to 556. But if it opens large gap of around 550 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling, and target will be around 544 to round level 540. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, you can clearly see here that it made low around 1826, which is, if you compare it high and low, is around 87 or 90 point, and right now it trades around 1895. So if tomorrow market once again opens flat and try to close a save of 1900 and shows positive movement, then you're going to take trade for buying, and target will be around 1913 to 1917. But if it opens a gap up around the 1900 level and shows any kind of negative movement after that, then we're going to consider it for selling, and target will be around 880 to 870. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, you can clearly see that it opens a gap up around that resistance zone, and it immediately took resistance around that zone, and right now trades around 864. So previously we have seen support level from that 845 to 40 level, and right now it took resistance around that 840. So my suggestion would be let it closes below 860 or 855 for taking any kind of selling trade. But if it trades above 870 or 75 and shows positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. Now let's look into our last bank, which is IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank, you can clearly see that today market opens flat and shows positive movement here, and it made high around 1137. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market once again trades above 1125 or 26 and shows positive movement, then you can take trade for buying. Target will be around 1140 to 1145. But if it opens a gap down or if it trades below 1120 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be around 1100 level. So that's all about today, guys. If you have any kind of doubt, then let me know in the comment box, and if you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel.